Now, Kistu with the door, so head rod to function ogun f of x agus g of x. So reached the calculator. Now, ruddy ure virish converted you can wine, which is handy. Shine calculator kaita marti anu and gradually. So reached, say shine calculator and shot. So reached mode 3 function. Could have the head equation. So alpha x kernel here. Luigi she alpha x plus 3. I guess equals to metasher the nodge. I guess the clean chart. I guess certain steps the hin. I guess the reach for remission doing the luani and chan triglin in the screen sheet. So you to 3 Luigi da. I guess the reach to start with the calculators the luani leak and chan. So 3 Luigi da, Luigi quick, Luigi she, Luigi quick, Luigi da, 3 I guess j. Okay. Now since you want good mode race 3 table I guess the g of x. So the g of x causes my x Luigi da, so reached alpha x Luigi da, Tasha the nodge, clean chart, steps 1, I guess the reach to Luigi da, Luigi hien, 0, hien da, 3, keher I guess quick. So it's very straightforward. Okay. Now in the Shin good. There's a there's a sketch the graph in the domain 0 to 7. So reached what the realer good. Happy days. So reached just turn sketch the graph. Okay. Now reached near to yagus a t-shirt and graph because the metasha the nodge. So this could be shart, so the Mr. Scholar measure the mark because you grade to be ogo. So heen da 3 keher quick she agus shart. So this could be shart heen da 3 keher quick she agus shart. Agus the race to the goal o 3 so this could be that the can easily minus she can j. So the go this could be j. So the Mr. Scholar also in Donny. So da keher she art agus j. So Luigi da, Luigi keher, Luigi she, agus Luigi art. So race da, keher, she, art, agus j. Luigi da, Luigi keher, Luigi she, Luigi art. Agus an estimate able to na punchy a horror. So Jane the punchy, so race tashin shaw, nemni la 3. So to go nemni la 3, so shin the head punchy. Heen la Luigi da, so heen la Luigi da, so shin the darn the punchy. Da la Luigi quick. So da la Luigi quick, 3 la Luigi she, keher la Luigi quick la Luigi da, she la 3, agus shart la j. Agus the race to that the head curve a hand just yeah. Come on to that, is the race can you come curve it on. Maar jij net als je een handje stelt, een lintje gira, kost er dot voor de brothers je niet te big, dat ik ga je marketing. Kun je kan je x squared het on, quadratic equation het on, ga je have it curved. So you might be trying to lintje gira. Okay, so you to curve just cost lashan. And then you okay lashan. Daarna kan het chen, je hoort dat je puntje, kost test could go. Cut him with lean net on, so straight line graph. So reason you order and get punchy agus a punchy journal. So they got nemni la Luigi da. So they got nemni la Luigi da. So she the head punchy agus a punchy journal shart la quick. Okay, so re shart agus they got this quick. So she have a lab all in shit. Agus the race just had in lean gira. You free art na punchy like her stab because before Montrajanti cart good agus the scale cart before Gomula shit in the punchy cart. Okay. So in the graph, a race label of the graph. So race show f of x, show g of x. So phi just a habit a cur label of the graph. In the x, agus in the y. Okay. So race in the graph, agus catch your horse and shen. Use mathematical tools, graphs, numeric and algebra to estimate the values of x, which f of x is equal to g of x. So race every heen, goes at your graph. Goes at your graph. J test good. So natural f of x called my g of x and natural trust in the line and curve. So race marking to the graph. I get punches on shot. Punch out I didn't be spares. So ag lína dearag an seo, ten chéad pointú go an seo, so roughly Jeremit 0.75, 0.8. So just hoclan rest goal x cos man nemni pointú art, sin é builú an seo, agus ta x cos man ige pointú seo an seo, Gíra shees, Jeremit goal x cos man she. Okay, well, Brian J. Gackers to the graph, if it doesn't show function James. Oh. We'll graph down to it. Right, so 3 cheese, see if I take. With the 5 point right near there, 6. Well, the Oma graphs are cost a shea, but shea punchy heen, the machine. So, Rob, when you smooth a shea, so just Jeremy go X cause my shea punchy heen. So, she in the year value, natural to the boiler. Okay, so it is. Sin agus a grafted to just to go catch will a punchy boiler agus a reach locked at yellow at the X. Now, on tablet ever a dog. Now, market test a tablet shot to get it out catch will a f of x quadrant g of x. So call a value quadrant yellow. So reached market test at the Nemnigus heen. To arhouse sign on, agus to arhouse sign to luge dogus luge dawn shot the name heen, so the break cogra the hill. So ni smoke cogra to luge heen, so the bally the shinnigus shen to the column matcha. Chicken chief. So reached so got a big cost 0 point at the name nigus heen. So reached he got screw at the name agus heen. So reached we regard lua an estimate. So we regard lua the name punch art. Because there's in his cogra the 0.8 tuition and tuition. Okay, I guess to reach marking to 3 at the quiggy gushe at the quiggy gushe to shagalaway cogra that 3 faster. So reached at the quiggy gushe to shagalaway cogra at the quiggy gushe so Jeremy's quick punch art. Okay, so she known table. Okay, again, it's just go kite which have had a match like a tablet. So they had about 3 in shaw. So and at the quickie go shade. This is called match. Okay. Now I bet you Rob Bugny Smona Shay and Shaw Bishop the match. Now can journal algebra. So Sean that kite to the mathematics here. Okay. So algebra okay, so it is to f of x quadrant g of x. So race correspond to f of x, so x carne luge she x moja 3, golove quadrant x luge do. And what trasna gt when you to x carne here luge shart x moja quick quadrant 0, because race testing your decimal place it on. So you may add the shaw factorizer. So rud the hymen and minus b formula usage. Okay. So kite minus b formula says so to x quadrant minus b, so shin minus shart plus or minus square root b squared shin minus shart carne here minus care fahin fa quick. Eligiskan da fahin. So raised to x quadrant shart plus or minus square root. It's raised upper shin the mass so shart for shart shin kala nui luge fi you to fi sunui. Iskan the da. So to x quadrant, so jen la plus and jen la minus. Okay, so the calculator could just shart plus square root fi nui ran to the door. I guess you to figure that shape punchy heen nui. So shape punchy heen nui. So she net actually hard that we boil the graph, the which I to 100% accurate of it, which I boil 6.19. No, going to share minus and jen, so shart minus square root fi nui. Ran to the door, you to figure that you punch your art to heen. Because we shouldn't spot on and shog when you punch art to heen. So the graph just touch book when you off of them say near shakade from gate crane. But with the graph paper, I'll go any time your graph paper or graded paper for your accuracy. Well, I have no okay, Lashan. Press straight forward. The wall. Yeah. Press straight forward. Right. Ten the kesti alle 3 keha quick shade janta doi here in it. So just times graph, lever graph, so tomorrow skip it. Okay. So the I'm trying is could you solve the simultaneous equation. So question the year. So you have a couple of sample division in us new. Okay. Well question 3 again then you. Yeah, would you okay the holiday? And then you? Yeah. Right. So we have my heart just to go to freezing us simultaneous equations. Now could you show run with simultaneous equations la x equals y, yeah, linear equation, agus run with ruddy la 3D x y equals a set. Next time we go to use simultaneous equations la line agus circle, or line agus curve. So market tester kest over a new shan. So yen 3 sample and then he glove in couple of higher. Okay? Now kest over a new you to x plus y cards on a chart. I guess you to x carny here plus y carny here cards on a piece of quick. Now, yeah, card me juggle. Jiglam say x want to mass x carny here. Hajik, because they're totally different terms. So these be kudumalashan. Charmi different latonti ni higla can when you want to mass canale. So ruddy chain doi higlin you shaw richa, a honey you go knees at the hall. Chain doi higlum to shaw richa. Now very malum cartamid line. Scribe x in terms of y and y in terms of x, and then subbalasya so cartamid circle. So erkenies. So you to x plus y cosma chart. So to y gonna cosma chart luja x. So image x tras na gujin tiwella. Next test can go y cosma x luja chart. So we're going to look at the cartamid x carny here plus y carny cosma piece of quick. So net y and us to make a hot chart luja x. So you to x carny here plus chart luja x against the shin carny here plus the y carny here cosma piece of quick. The next to show in terms of x to my abate ratio. So made this in the mark. So you to x carny here plus cara nui minus car jig x plus x carny here cosma piece of quick. And rug GT1. So you to do x carny here minus car jig x agus the rest of piece of quick mass cara nui agus you mit piece of here cosma 0. Okay, next to carmage carna ogum higlum whole lot around the dolly in this fosse. So x carny luja chart x plus do yig cosma nyamni and we factorize. So you to x for x 3 for keher minus agus minus. So to x cosma 3 agus to x cosma keher. Okay, now the reason to x values jantagut najin jammer kai to y up more faster. So can you come your own twos to y cosma chart luja x. So to y cosma chart luja x. So to y cosma cosma 3 in the x. So to y cosma chart luja 3 which the cosma keher. So syndicate coordinates net what to the burly 3 la keher. Darnican x y cosma chart luja x y cosma chart luja keher y cosma 3. So you to shin keher la 3. So shin in the coordinates net what the graph. Now the way I say graph to shin a just to do jiggins in your fair shop add to show you go forward, but mahan shall be of the equations behind the add the graph ekka. When you x squared plus y squared, shin circle. Shin circle la lar function 0 0. La radius square root piece of quick, so that means the radius quick again. Minus quick agus quick, luja quick, agus the raised to mit bolu ag 3, non 3 so as keher, non keher so as 3. So that the line got free to circle ag a yeah function in a agus shin the graph finish. Now you fay out of graph of sketcher, but the just get a has plenty j exactly to make go the points of intersection. And punch a trace near natural line x plus y cosma chart it got free to circle x carny plus y carny cosma piece of quick. We should solve it again. Make sense? Right, you're my sample cast over j. Okay, now okay cast over j you to x minus 3 x minus y cosma 3 agus raised you to y cosma x carny here plus y carny here cosma piece of nui. So reach a tamsha to hand first something x is given in terms of y a tamsha. So cut him lock a kid cut him. So x minus y cosma 3 So to x cosma 3 plus y. X cosma 3. Ní sé dar cén ceanna factú. Sin tí sabal is anyway. Now to láti head cosmage. So net x carni inis. So x carni plus y carni cosma fisa ní. And net x to me could have 3 plus y. So you do 3 plus y carni here plus y carni here cosma fisa ní. Medish nema, you do ní plus she y plus y carni here plus y carni here cosma fisa ní. You do da y carni here plus she y to the fisa ní trasne minus 20 cosma 0. Rana another da. You do y carni here plus 3y minus j cosma 0, and we factorize. So factorize y for y, da for quick plus agus minus. So to y cosma da or to y cosma luja quick. Okay, now to y again, now you to the quarter to x value. So test is equal x cosma 3 plus y. So to x cosma 3 plus y, so to x cosma 3 moja da, x cosma quick. So shin the head coordinates quick la da. Like so darnican x cosma 3 plus y, x cosma 3 luja quick, x cosma luja da. So frigate luja da la luja quick. Agus reached shin circle agus lína go féidir circle ag na coordinates shin and shin. Was shin okay gana? Yeah. Right, so shin question the question j. When you get hen trialas is kiss ever the hen jig and shin. Question j musure. When trialas kiss ever the hen jig. The mugget sketch a hair to shin. Erased. Calculaton lollar function 0. Now, square root of fisa ní to go with decimal place. So the interjackation a hair or sketch. So ruddy energy current is ja function. Quick la da. So go non-quick so as da marker is ja function. Shin the radius on circle. Because test could go la line bullying circle. Eke punch shin. So when there's a lot of compass and shin shin to the apple to the circle hair to sha. Shin a quick la da. Like so canal shin. Luja da la luja quick, so luja da la luja quick to the gully he's and shin. I guess to the east, shin the line the Godfrey circle. Okay. Luja da la luja quick. I guess the east to radius. Can you cabinet and radius cosma square root fisa and lee. But it is just all this thief. What's in Morgula? What's getting me in a rubber ni small? Any money smaller? Sneeze there. Can't believe it, then you get my pen. Jan kist je heen jigen, sir. Yeah, but tell us kist je heen jig, and then Rhymer she free kist je heen jig lift. Dó gan in. O good Adam. 3. Right. We're my Tuesday we're hinjig. Yeah. Kiste we're hinjig. Okay. G test go. Test go x lute 3y cos on yamni. So raised to the addition and screw x in terms of y. So raised to the 3y trasness to the x cos on 3y. So in the down the cottage, do x carny here. Lute y cos on sharp jig. Okay. Lute y cos on sharp jig. So net x in this to me just subble ja. So we got a subble ja 3y. So you to do for 3y carny here minus y cos on sharp jig. What's your send? Here? Do you run to?
Oh,
Is it nice?
yeah.
Yeah. So it's a routine kernel. To let the linear equation, screw x in terms of y, now y in terms of x, being kind of fussy, and then just subble the chassis column kernel, or the curved equation. Yes? Now, maybe you shouldn't more. So now, because the is squared, now maybe do for 3y. How to go in exponentially in a headway. How to square the in a headway. So 3y for 3y. So 3y carny here. Maybe for don't change you to r jig y carny here. So minus y cos my sharp jig to the sharp jig trasness you to r jig y carny here. Lose y, lose sharp jig cos my 0. Factorize. So you to r jig y for y. I guess you to heen for sharp jig. Okay? Because heen for sharp jig, you to sharp jig y minus r jig y you to y, so this to single v minus to single v plus. Okay? So you to r jig y, cosma luge sharp jig, y cosma luge sharp jig is gonna r jig. I so this to y luge heen cosma nemni y cosma heen. Test good next called x cosma 3y. Which the cosma 3 made if I lose a sharp jig is gonna r jig, which the cosma lose a sharp jig is gonna she. So relation the head coordinates, lose a sharp jig is gonna she, la lose a sharp jig is gonna r jig. Which the darnican x cosma 3y, so the x cosma 3 for heen, so the x cosma 3. So you to 3 la heen a coordinates alla. Now near on the circle, you're on a curve it on just. Equation Sean you're on a curve. U-shaped curve against the line of goal. Against the line of goal free jiggy yeah function and so. This number. Yeah. Alright, let's name. I try out door you can show us. So you should use a pepper screw the halt to us. Because you have quickly on this chapter to kind of go short chart and solve for x and y. The x squared. Just kite the kuruma, you let x and you must x squared cost the ordinary simultaneous equations. Kite and technique short usage. Kite can the wine you stop all the chassis can the wine you stop all the chassis canella. Right, so catch every door yek. Okay, you to do x plus y. Cosma shart. So Jane can we got a function x and y. Y, yeah, y equals because the y is in pocket can forest. Otherwise the fraction go to the sub or shaft fractions in separate jacket. Okay? Now, unfortunately, in the case you need your exam papers usually have fractions on. You need to draw book niche jacket. Right, so cur y codrum na g, seacht luigi, tur the dó x trasnu g into all add and g luigi dó x, and then scream out the codrum it fuishin, x carni plus 3xy, codrum na fisa dó. So an h1 y in it, cur is seacht luigi dó x. So you to x carni here, plus 3x, midifa, seacht luigi dó x, codrum na fisa dó. Right, so you can show the Rinne do let the hall. Come back and yeah, what was. Alright. So to x carni here, medicine minus, so to plus fisa hin x, minus she x carni here, codrum na fisa da. Okay? So to she x, so you to luigi quick x carni here, plus fisa hin x, is to fisa da trasness, so my factor minus fisa da, codrum 0. You may add the ranter the b, but you may add the signs at her. So just add in the signs. So you to quick x carni here, luigi fisa hin x plus fisa da codrum 0, and we factorize. Okay, you to quick x for x. You operate off for hin jig, you operate with the b margin operate. Huh? Da for hin jig? Oh, operate off for hin jig, yes. Why hit? Operate off for hin jig, because da for quick j, so vert minus, minus against minus. So you have to quick x, codrum la hin jig, x codrum la hin jig is gonna quick, against x codrum la da. Okay, agus a ríist to y cosma seart lúide dá x, chuis a cosma seart lúide dá fa chinge gus gynna cuig, chuis a cosma seart lúide fís a dá gynna cuig, chuis a cosma 3J gus gynna cuig. Just check us and then you have to calculate. Okay, Kit canile y cosma seart lúide dá x, y cosma seart lúide dá fa dá, y cosma seart lúide ceir, y cosma 3. Okay. Is you alright, listen? Kissni be? And Shaw? Alright, teen jigs, so my then just check out because room is similar like in. But this is 3 jig head quick. Alright. Rotation by the heart there? Alright, that's okay. Was alright, Hannah? Yeah, right, okay. Right. Then we're taking a right, 3 jig, quid jig, a sharp jig, and then primary regulating head section of the so 3 jig, quid jig, a sharp jig. Like machine get on your bhaile. I would regulating head section of the should get each of you practice. No, it's not. Okay, and Shaw? Was minus in jigs, we're into some trash need to plus in jig. Answer quick. Yeah? Right. Well, you get it can alien if when you stage can jacker actually. Right, kiss the shade jig, say jacker. Kijk my jig, I'm a free shade jig now because that's a jacker. Okay? Right. I could kiss over the shade jig to cut in your chest so it could ward up on. Okay? Right, so kiss the shade jig. Going dá x lúide 3y cosm na hín, so these we've got x and y, so rhyme la x, so there's the dá x cosm na hín plus 3y x cosm na hín plus 3y is gonna dá. So the cut in goal of inch so it's going to be rubber awkward. Okay. So that's the down the carbon x carny here plus xy minus y carny here. Cosm la dá. Agus lín se an will x. So you to hín plus 3y is going to dá carny here plus y made for to the y mark here do we because the y made the action or kernel x made for y. So y for hín plus 3y is going to dá minus y carny here cosm la dá. Rather than okay catch one machine. So raise scream x in terms of y, and then an h will cosm which an h will x so the term. Okay, and then just made the league more. So maybe now the square to good square length in top, agus the bottom. So from square length in top, you to hín plus she y plus ni y carny here. The league is gonna care. Plus y maybe from boir, so you to y plus 3y carny here is gonna dá minus y carny here cosm la dá. Now, can do you my reach on cod then we have? Made the hand rod fa? Huh? Ah. Y for hinch and y for 3y, you to 3y squared. Was it okay? Yeah. Yeah. Made the anrod for care. Because the care is right doors down in care, made the ahan part for care. So we made them to shop for care, to my five hin plus she y plus ni y carny here. We made them shop for care right doors down in care, yeah, where. So to make for da for y plus 3y carny here. So just like we made the anrod for care and so. And raised Luigi she jig y carny here, cosm la art. Jane can't come into a hundred for care. It's no okay, Gahananya. So an centimeter farc le hín plus sé y plus ní y carnithe plus dá y plus sé y carnithe lúide sé jig y carnithe codrum le art. And then just sum it out ruddy like the hella. So you do lúide sé jig, you do lúide shart y carnithe, you do sé shart art y. Agus the east to me farc le sé shart art. Oh, the sé jig, the sé sin fast go min sca. So quei jig so sin lúide y.
Agus le chuir gomhna a bhúnteir agus a scalaí ó Cardi an Francor agus lí golú agus is féidir agus duine bhí a bhfuil bheile leorlatha é or go bhí náfik le dá.
Right, so you to lúide y carnithe plus art y agus the east you to lúide shart cosma 0 at in a sign y carnithe lúide art y plus shart cosma nudge factorize you to y for y hín for shart minus agus minus y cosma hín y cosma shart and then upper mod the x so the x cosma hín plus 3 for hín is gonna dá so the x color cosma dá so you to dá la hín in the head coordinates you to dá la hín agus a darna coordinates you to x cosma hín plus 3 for shart is gonna dá so the x color cosma hín jig so to hín jig la shart agus sin ceist every sé jig so these kind we go per la genu la ceist every sé jig so upper ball for your moira and then I'm reading head section so upper ball so just scream a short so then you be it's got a video upper ball for your moira 3 jig quid jig agus shart jig so trial it trial the 3 heshin yanu to go your sampling sin in asjante o hog much apple te 3 jig quid jig agus shart jig yanu but the that 3 heshin yanu means break confidence to shart is going to be here okay okay listen yeah all right head section okay that's no now head section is we just use algebra to solve the equation okay so I'm a free kishi heen and then he give heen 3 dá ceher go sé yenu okay so this kish over the heen okay so she's go shot there I kish over the heen j tog and use algebra to solve the equation so she is can x plus heen minus heen is can x minus heen codmla heen right so here draw the antigen Jane come the slew and he comes to usage so come the slew now x plus heen for x minus heen so the smallest common denominator because the equal sign of them and shaw he comes to ahan partition in us evade fun come the slew so take again so j take your bond so x plus heen for x minus heen so just and then you go can use both which is very much chance to even show screw sheets because the tire to go the higva okay now let's just get a short richer come up for rate in the codan the full rate the codan made into ahan rod from co made the slew do I hear in the room in shaw made image ahan rod for keher and shaw j rai x plus heen against x minus heen is jahan right just made it on vert okay so reached made the ahan rod from co made the slew so you to share is gan x plus heen midify x plus heen for x minus heen minus heen is gan x luge heen midify x plus heen for x minus heen codmla heen midify x plus heen for x minus heen now the reason is in jant good right x plus heen amola x plus heen right x minus heen amola x minus heen agus we mit rated on the codan so met fucking chain la she midify x minus heen minus heen midify x plus heen codmla x minus heen for x plus heen as next for mit rated on the codan well han and okay let's just steps in the shot so you can on and you came yeah and then just made the ligamaha so reached you to she x luge she minus x minus heen coidem le x carnithe plus x minus heen. So réist an bharte go sin go le chealú má, cos de ceann plus ceann minus. Okay? So réist mit foice le seart x, lúide seart, coidem le x carnithe lúide heen. Tá seo lig trasnas due to x carnithe lúide seart x plus sé coidem le 0. Okay? Agus réist factorize due to x for x, heen for sé, minus agus minus. Okay? So tá x coidem le heen agus x coidem le sé. Now, tína jig le x with coidem le heen. Then we add einstein. Tína jig le x with coidem le heen. J heen lúide heen. 0. Jiglin range your 0. No, so in the change solution sin not the x coidem le sé. So sin a change solution x coidem le sé. Ní hig le x a bheith coidem le quite a one with mistake. She x go with this one mistake. Right. My who Hannah. Right. So right, mistake, sorry. She x plus run my shart x and it's J hard doing. Quig x go with this right. So mistake chant. Right, I'll just call her Rinne for each. Tá sé rís she x lúide x you to quig x go with this quig x lúide shart cos my x carne lúide heen. So it reached to short trasna you to x carne lúide quig x plus sé cos my 0 factorize. Right, there's no book difference. So x for x dá for 3 minus agus minus x cos my dá x cos my 3 agus den vert golve go up remark. So that's okay. My hand. Okay. Can you give two arms? Okay, we should okay listen. Jigging to the technique. Yeah, right, try and get in just over there. Now, out of down the part in question. Durcha. Can do yellow joklum to shin the recha gan algebra. We are the dynamic equations are shown. That dynamic is shown graph. Right? In the dynamic shown graph and the equation shown graph. Then we are then when the column which that's an estimate of ghost time graph is the yana. In the graph there. And then just the runch rare, J runch. So you shall range of value stuff. X, so you shall x from the 0 in dot c care quick shake a shard and run. So you know get the right turn in. Sure. When you shall values to x for year more punchy the data graph. But just really quick, no reason. Graph. Alright? I guess in the Mexican shingle x coordinate dot x coordinate 3. So in that in the graph, region x and x dash. Does that make sense to you? So she testers are right down the part in question. Right? So chat. The down the part, there's the solution of the equation of part 2 could also have been obtained by sketching a single quadratic graph. Get the equation of this graph. So Jane called me the graph. X kernel lúide quig x plus sé. So the diameter in your quadratic graph the shin. The diameter in your quadratic graph the shin. Then we've got a sketch cost like a J. It is just a U-shaped graph. I guess rise a fridge. Rise a fridge punch it door. I guess punch it 3. And the shin out to the graph will be cost. Okay, we should make okay. So the CML co-medius fluid, the smallest common denominator. So the root of our mixture CML. So okay, let's try right. When you tell this question will go on to the next stage. Yeah. Right, and tell this question will go. Obviously, nasty you chance a mistake. I'll go back to Is no good Kieran, eh? No good Ashley? Is no good? Yeah, before. Off one rather, right?
And then maybe go after dog. So for dog practice, if you and then maybe that's kind of okay.
No good Ashley? Yeah. Just give it a door. Cut him a door. Jin call me this loo. So call me this loo and shaw. X loo the door for X plus heen. So you to heen is going X loo the door. Maybe for X loo the door for X plus heen. Plus keher is going X plus heen for X loo the door for X plus heen. Cut him a door for X loo the door for X plus heen. So reached in the cancellation, so I shouldn't mola shan. I say X plus heen and mola X plus heen. Okay. Mana challenge the ma. Then obviously you can call me this loop contract over. Okay. So it means fakela X plus heen with the heen, so shan X plus heen plus keher X minus art. So keher X minus art, because care for X, care for luja da, you to luja art. Codjumla da bracket. Now, maybe shaw mark here doing shaw. So X for X, you to X care here. X for heen, you to X. Luja da for X, you to luja da X. Agus luja da for heen, you to luja da. So just be clear on. Okay. Now, care plus X, you to quick X plus 9. Codjumla da X care here. Now, X luja da action, luja X maybe for da, you to luja da X, luja keher. To the quick shar, come for shar. Yes, right, can you see that? My who, Sinead, go ni test it. Right, so luja shart, plus heen, luja arts, it's luja shart. There's the Easter and what trasness, so it means fakela da X carny here. Luja shart X plus 3. Okay, listen. Factorize da X for X, heen for 3 minus agus minus. So you have to da X codma heen, X codma le. X luja 3, codma 0, X codma 3. Agus sin ceiste ever do. Okay. Right, so higlef hain ceir agus sé a dhéanú dú fanne obair. Alright, so obair ceir agus sé. Remember dre free head section over body at the would you alright law free head section a little moment or would you get it found out you more right found out you more so okay right using yeah question Janton is still jam moment la hall river doing wrong so using drink ceir agus sé fan your barbala ceir agus sé